What's up, you guys? Gabe on 26 is coming back at you with another video. It's been a while since I made a video, so I miss you guys, and I'm back in full effect. All right, so what we have here is a Craftsman shop vac. That's the other part of it over there, as you can see. And what happened is one of the rollers had broke on it. It's made of plastic. What I'm gonna do is use JB weld to plastic welded, plastic bonded, as it say on the box, and I'm gonna put it back together. All right, you guys, I got the wheel in there. I hope you guys can see it. I got the wheel in. I had to put it in the same way that it broke it. And as you can see the cracks up in there. I had to place it in there the same way that it broke off. Y'all remember it. So I got the wheel back on. That's the part that broke. Okay, so we mix this together and then we'll put it on in. The way this stuff works is that each side has its own cartridge. I guess one is for the reason and the other side is for the hardener. So what I'm gonna do is I use the tray, and as you can see, I got it in, I mixed it up and poured it in from the tray. But what I'm gonna do is just pour the rest in, just squeeze the rest in. If you can see it. I'm just gonna squeeze the rest in, and then I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna mix it all together. Just put the whole thing in there. Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm back. After 2 days of letting this sit up, letting that product cure, it's fixed. It's good now. Let me flip it over so y'all can see. That stuff did the trick, man. You think about it, it's rated for 3,500 PSI for the strength. 3,500 PSI for the strength that it can hold pressure. That should be quite enough strength for it to hold on a wet vac. You know what I mean? So the product really does work. I may come back with another product review after we get a couple weeks of use out of these. So all I gotta do is put my top on, put my top back on. I'm gonna bring it on over here. All I gotta do is put the top on and start back using it again. And as you can see, it's rolling now. We good. Gonna turn off matrix. Screen looking good in there. Gonna turn matrix off. First off, let me roll this damn window wood in case it rains. Alright, boy. Alright, y'all. Matrix will be going to the shop probably after my birthday. My birthday coming up, so on Tuesday. I'm looking forward to that. I'll be 35. You know, 35 years younger. So after my birthday, I'm gonna go ahead and put matrix in the shop. It got a few leaks going on with it. I'm gonna change out the exhaust. I got a video coming up on it, so y'all stay tuned on it. So I ain't gonna talk about these, but did a little trick to get some more horsepower out of those. Some of y'all know what those are, some of y'all don't. A video will be coming on it. So thank you guys, man, for watching my videos and subscribing to the channel. Much more content is coming.